Okay, for the distributive property, what we're going to do is if we have a number right in front of a parenthetical expression, we're going to multiply, because if we have a number right in front of it, it's implied multiplication in algebra. So this 5, we're going to multiply by x and by y, and we get 5 times x, 5 times y. Now notice this operation symbol here, the negative sign, that's going to go between them, just as it was before. So this is going to work out to be 5x minus 5y. Let's do a couple more examples here. With this negative 2, it's careful. You got to be careful because we have that negative sign in front of the 2 that we're going to have to distribute when we multiply by the 3 and the x. So this is going to become negative 2 times 3 and then negative 2 times x. Now notice here we have this negative symbol between the 3 and the x. We're still going to keep that there. Now I know you guys see, ooh, 2 signs in a row, 2 negatives, ooh, double dagger, shpah, shpah. So that's going to become negative 6 plus 2x. Glad you guys saw that. Now, last example, we have a 7 in front of this negative 1 plus y expression here. So again, the 7 is going to multiply by both these two terms. This is going to become 7 times negative 1 and then 7 times y. And again, we keep the operation symbol in the middle, just as it was there. It's going to be a plus sign. So 7 times negative 1 is negative 7, and then 7 times y is 7y. We still keep that plus sign there. Okay, guys, just be mindful of the signs. The negative signs trip a lot of people up. As long as you're, very deliberate and careful in distributing signs, you should be fine. Good luck.